Can you create a functional floor plan in just 5 minutes? Let's find out. This isn't about making a perfect design. The challenge is to create a layout that is fast, functional, and actually makes sense. Welcome to EdrawSoft channel. In today's video, we are taking on the 5-minute floor plan challenge using EdrawMax. The goal is simple: create a clean and usable layout before the timer runs out. The rules are simple. We only have 5 minutes. The layout must include all essential spaces, and the final plan still needs to feel functional and realistic. Before the timer really starts moving, we will quickly prepare the workspace, so the design stays accurate and organized. All right, 5 minutes on the clock. Let's begin. The first step is creating the outer shell. At this stage, speed matters, but the proportions still need to feel balanced. A simple structure usually works best under time pressure because it keeps the layout easier to organize. Now, we divide the interior into essential spaces like the living area, bedrooms, kitchen, and bathroom. Even in a fast challenge, circulation is important. People still need to move naturally through the layout. Next, we quickly add doors and windows to improve movement, light, and ventilation. At this speed, placement matters more than detail. Now, we test the layout with furniture. This immediately shows whether the rooms are realistically usable. If furniture barely fits, the layout probably needs adjustment. Finally, we label the major spaces to make the floor plan easier to read and present. And there's the timer. The floor plan didn't even take 5 minutes. For a 5-minute challenge, the result is surprisingly functional. The layout has clear circulation, organized spaces, and all the essential elements of a usable floor plan. This challenge shows that good floor planning is less about complexity and more about smart decisions. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget follow us for more architectural design content, layout experiments, and practical floor planning ideas. See you until the next one.